Hi there! In this video, we show you how to make a super spicy Caribbean curry with prawns and bananas. Let's start preparing the veggies. Peel and chop the ginger root. Followed by a medium-sized onion. Then, slice a bonnet chilli and do the same with the tomatoes. Bonnet chilies are really spicy, so unless you think you can handle it, use only half or a small one. With the veggies ready, we move on to cooking. Pour 1 tablespoon of oil into a skillet. Then dip in the chopped onions and crush 2 garlic cloves. Let these first ingredients sizzle and stir occasionally. Now add in the chopped ginger, followed by 1 tablespoon of curry powder, a pinch of allspice, and some thyme. Stir a bit more and let the oil soak in all the fragrances. Next, dip in the sliced chilies and the tomatoes. Then, incorporate the coconut milk and a bit of water. Now, sprinkle in some salt and simmer for 10 minutes. Next, add the bananas. Finally, add the prawns and squeeze in half a lime. Once again, we will cook for 5 minutes at low heat. If your prawns are pre-cooked, then cook for even less, as you don't want them to shrink. All is left now is to serve this spicy Jamaican curry with some rice and have it hot. Enjoy!